Here we have another 2026 Ram ProMaster. This truck again is set up for a regional utility fleet. In the outside we've added strobe lighting, scene lights, go lights, and arrow boards. We also have the shore power unit on the driver's side and also 110 outlets. You can see at the rear on this passenger side. Underbody we have the scene lighting that doubles as strobe lighting. For this upfit we've opted for a standard shelving package with a handful of modifications. For starters, we have this packed drawer setup. This is a large drawer on the bottom. It includes dividers. These are adjustable in these slots, as well as a heavy-duty mat that helps prevent things from moving around. Quite durable. And then above we have smaller drawers. These also include dividers that are infinitely adjustable. And they're quite tight, so they prevent any movement when you have tools or small parts inside. And then one neat thing about this drawer, has no hinges, ball bearings to bust. It all runs on nylon guides. Everything nylon, so it runs in and out very, very smoothly. On the partition, we have outlets. We have this upper top tray area for battery chargers. We have built a custom cabinet to house an inverter system. So inside we have a Victron 3000 watt inverter. Also houses the fuses, resettable fuses, and other wiring. And then below, this lower compartment houses a 200 amp hour AGM deep cycle battery with easy access again to the fuses as needed. We have breakers for the 110 outlets on the inside. We have 12 volt DC outlets. This shelving setup has locking doors on it for valuables while they're working out on the job site, keeping everything secure. We also have a packed parts cabinet with these pull-out cases with smaller individual compartments inside. And then at the rear, we have additional outlets on each end panel. And then for the flooring, we have Legend Stability Grip flooring with their diamond plate sill kit. If you want to do a setup like this, give us a call. Our number is 866-925-4844.